Buddy pops his head out. Didn't you put a block by the door? Yeah, but that was... No! Oh my god! Okay, Phil wants to go upstairs. I'll do it. Okay, come on. Wow, why is it so dark too all of a sudden? Don't say that! I'll go up. You go first. You go first. You get that, kiddo! You bitch! Oh my god! I'm scaring the fuck. I just felt opportunity I had. I'm recording, oh my god. Yeah.